are fast becoming popular with everyone. It became widely available through branches of various restaurants in different parts of the metro, offering the finger-licking goodness of unlimited chicken wings. Hello fellow food trippers, please join us for lunch at WINGZILLA Monumento, 103 Samson Road, Caloocan City. WINGZILLA has a Japanese-inspired ambiance decorated with red lanterns. It is an all-day dining place that offers eat-all-you-can unlimited wings, pasta, fries, takoyaki, and rice, including drinks at only 399 pesos. WINGZILLA offers a wide range of classic to new and unique deep-fried, crispy-cooked, succulent, whole chicken wings with meatier drummettes, wingettes, and tips, glazed in 12 mouth-watering flavors of sweet, spicy, tangy, smoky, and salty sauce to finish the dish. The first 4 chicken flavors we ordered were tonkatsu, mango habanero, Jack Daniel's Original BBQ, and salted egg. We use food-safe disposable gloves for an enjoyable eat with our hands chicken wings experience. The wings' savory sauces made our taste buds sing and dance with joy. The spicy flavors of the habanero explode in the mouth for a mild hot kick. The wings are in a better serving size than the average unlimited chicken wings we've tried in other wing spots around the city. We also tried both pasta carbonara and spaghetti. The carbonara pasta was creamy, cheesy, and flavorful, even without any trace of rotten meats, while the spaghetti was sweet, just like our home-cooked Filipino-style spaghetti. Both pasta flavors complemented the perfectly cooked chicken wings. The French fries flavors we enjoyed were wasabi, sour cream, barbecue, and cheese flavor. For our takoyaki dish, we had all the flavors of original, cheese, and spicy. Interestingly, varied Asian flavors find their way into the chicken wings that captured our palates, like the barbecue street food Chinese xiao kao, Korean flavors of sweet spicy tteokbokki and yangyum, and Thai sweet chili sriracha. The last 4 flavors we savored were the garlic parmesan, sweet soy garlic, honey mustard, and the popular and classic New York buffalo, which are equally delicious and flavorful. To prevent food wastage, we left none to observe a strict no leftover policy and finish it off within the 2-hour dining time limit. Though we crave more and wish for a larger stomach to indulge the unlimited ramen, Offered at a reasonable price of only 59 pesos in 4 flavors, the tonkatsu, miso paitan, spicy tonkatsu, and udon soup, our tummies are full and satisfied. So what are you waiting for? Tara sa Wingzilla at mag-UNLIWINGS pa more! For dining inquiries and reservations, call or message WINGZILLA Monumento at 0968-879-8054. Street parking is available but limited to motorcycles and bicycles only. Diners with car vehicles can park at the nearby Pure Gold grocery store across. We'll see you on our next food trip at Vikings, the Alley Cloverleaf in Ayala Mall, Cloverleaf, Quezon City. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching!